I just did a video on respiratory acidosis and alkalosis. Let's make the complex simple in 60 seconds. So first of all, when you ingest carbohydrates and fats, they're made up of carbons, hydrogens, and oxygens. And one of the major purposes of metabolism is to steal the hydrogens, hand it off to the electron transport chain at the mitochondria to undergo oxidative phosphorylation and produce huge amounts of ATP. But what we're left with are the carbons and the oxygens of the carbs and fats. But together, that forms carbon dioxide. That's the exhaust of metabolism. We need to get rid of it. We need to breathe it out. We need to send it to the lungs. So the tissues of the body need to dump that carbon dioxide in the bloodstream to send it to the lungs. But in the blood, it mixes with the water, forming carbonic acid. Acids tear themselves apart to release hydrogen ions, and in this case, bicarbonate ions. So the carbon dioxide travels in the blood in the form of bicarbonate. Once it gets to the lungs, it forms back into carbon dioxide to be breathed out. But here's the kicker. If you hold on to that carbon dioxide and don't breathe it out, it accumulates, accumulating hydrogen ions, and that's called respiratory acidosis. If you breathe out too much carbon dioxide, like hyperventilation, the carbon dioxide levels drop, the hydrogen ion levels drop, and that's called respiratory alkalosis.